are forklifters. These are cranes. These are also cranes. And this is a tower crane. And this is a forklifter. Which like this. And takes the brick here and goes away.
Okay.
And they call a tractor.
Okay.
And they call a harvester. This is also a harvester.
Okay.
And this is.
What does it do? What does harvester do?
They cut the grasses like this.
Okay. Okay.
Like Caesar cuts our hairs.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay. And what's on other page?
Like.
What's on other page? Here.
And
What's on this side? I don't know anything about it. Tell me. What's on this side? This side. Mm-hmm.
this is a backhoe loader. This is
Okay.
a kid still.
Okay.
They're mobile cranes.
Oh, pretty good. Nice.
And
Nice.
this is a tower crane.
Who told you about all this?
I'll show you one more thing.